We all love tater tots and we all secretly love casseroles. So this tater tot casserole is a winner for those nights when you need something that everyone loves and something that is quick and easy. Saucy, tasty, and meaty base that is decorated with those tasty tots covered in cheese. You are going to love it, and I'm going to show you just how simple it is to make today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. To start, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And in a large skillet over medium-high heat, we're going to cook 1.5 to 2 pounds of ground beef. If you want to use ground chicken or ground turkey, those are great options as well. Season that up with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and break that up as it cooks for about 6 to 8 minutes until it is fully browned. Then I'm going to add in 1 medium diced onion, and I'm going to let that saute alongside that ground beef for about 5 more minutes. Then I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of salted butter, but if you're using a ground beef that has a higher fat content, you won't even need to add in that extra butter. To that melted butter, we're going to add in 1/2 cup of flour. Stir that in and let that cook for about 2 more minutes. The flour is our thickening agent to give us a creamy soup-like texture without adding those cans of cream of whatever. Pour in 1 cup of beef broth, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, and bring that to a simmer. Give that a stir, and that sauce is going to thicken up lovely, which is just what we're looking for. Next, add in 1 14.5 ounce can of corn and 1 14.5 ounce can of green beans that have been drained. Give that a stir and let it simmer together for about 1 more minute. If you have other vegetables that you love as well, you can add or replace those. We sometimes use carrots or peas. Now to assemble this casserole, lightly grease a 9x13 pan or one of equivalent size. Spread the meat and vegetable mixture into the bottom of that pan. Top with a layer of tater tots, and I'm using about a full 32-ounce bag worth. Then sprinkle that with 2 cups of grated cheddar cheese, and I am using Colby Jack. Now I'm going to bake this, to get those tots nice and hot, in our preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Remove that from the oven and let it cool just a little bit. And just that simple, you've made tater tot casserole and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.